important uNkulunkulu ke uyabonga uyambona umuntu o appreciate abanye abantu sino abahlula bakhona ngaphakathi who are working mamkhosazana sinabahloli la abasebenza indlela yesimangaliso most yabo they are acting in their positions but they are not getting paid. We must appreciate their good work. Because without them, ngabo we have serious challenges in schools. So we must really appreciate, and all principals, abakhona nabangekho, not only principals, Basema High School, including principal at the primary level, because without foundation, there will be no high school. So especially the principal. And I want to extend a greeting to everyone because of time. Indeed, it's a great pleasure to stand before you today during this important occasion of the province. In fact, it feels good to be in this #1 province, the province of hope, the province of releasement. The province of hope because we remain hopefully in many hopeless situations that face us in this Department of Education during 2025. That's why sibajabulisa kakhulu othisha bethu bonke iKwaZulu-Natali. Njengamanje nesiqiniseko sokuthi wonke umuntu uyafisa ukuba owakwaZulu-Natali. Nohlala eGauteng uthi hayi ngisenekhaya kwaZulu-Natali, and we welcome everyone. Because the province was Today we mark the second National Senior Certificate Result announcement under the 7th Administration of Government of Provincial Unit in our province. As directed by the people of KwaZulu-Natal, who voted that we must have a provincial government of unit. And that's why today we are announcing these results. It's the second time announcing results. Today we'll also celebrate the effort of all those who ensured that we keep our province moving forward regardless of what happened and regardless of our challenges. It is also a very special day for the people of our province, as we have been announced as the best performing province in the country, obtaining overall 90.6%, being positioned #1 in the country. Okusho ukuthi sesinozake wababili manje. Khona uzake we-province, khona uzake we-national. Ibambileke babamotha ngithi. Ngoba yabona ukuthi ngiyabona bayasondela nabanye yabona. So ngimzwile ku-HOD ukuthi nayo i-walk yakhe sizoshintsha from the walk of #2 to i-walk of #1. Angiyazi kinjani Nkosi yami i-walk yakhona. But people generally normally say quality over quantity. But the only KwaZulu-Natal that can give quality and quantity all at once. Those who understand the research methodology, they will understand what I'm talking about. KwaZulu-Natal is the largest contributor in the National Senior Certificate candidate in the country. And KZN produced more bachelor passes. KZN is #1 in the country. What makes the quality of KwaZulu-Natal is more peculiar is that the quality comes from the deep rural areas like Umkhanyakude. This quality comes from the schools with challenges of infrastructure in various districts of the province. And this quality comes from the schools that lack resources in all other districts. We have challenges of limited resources, but our educators and our learners, they are committed and they have produced what we have given today. We are humbled by the fact that parents place their children in our care, with the sole mandate of providing them with a quality public education. And today, Program Director, it proves that KwaZulu-Natal Department of Education executed the mandate with excellence.